Interesting facts about sea pen. Unique shape. Sea pens have a shape resembling giant quills or pens, making them look like beautiful marine ornaments. Creative filter feeders. Sea pens are intelligent filter feeders. They capture plankton and food particles from the water using their tentacles located on their branches. Perfect symbiosis. Sea pens engage in mutualistic symbiosis with algae living inside their bodies. These algae aid in photosynthesis and provide additional food for the sea pens. Movement and protection. Sea pens can flexibly move to adapt to their environment. When threatened, they can retract into the sand or mud as a defense tactic. Variety of uniqueness. There are approximately 300 diverse species of sea pens, displaying a wide range of colors and sizes, making them extraordinary in marine biodiversity.